In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a horizontal line in TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do when you open your chart, you want to go to the top left and you can see your drawing tools over here. Now, what you want to do is you can see this line over here, which by default is a trend line. So you can click on this arrow next to it to open trend tools. And then here you can see horizontal line. You could also press Alt+H on your keyboard, which is going to enable it for you, okay? So I'm going to just click on horizontal line like this. And then over here, you can just position yourself wherever you want the horizontal line. So I'm gonna put one over here, for example, and I'm going to click. Okay, as you can see, I clicked, and now I do have a horizontal line over there, which is quite convenient. Of course, if you need a new one, you can now click on up here, click, and there we go, we have a new horizontal line. Now, an alternative would be to actually use the trend line as a horizontal line, which is going to kind of position it only at like a specific portion of your screen, not on the entire chart. So let me show you that as well. I'm gonna go back to this arrow and select a trend line. So when your trend line is selected like this, you want to hold down your shift key. So first, click wherever you want to start it, like here, hold down the shift key, and if you hold down the shift key, as you can see, it's going to go in a perfectly straight line. So just hold down the shift key and then click again, and there we go. We have a horizontal line as well, made out of the trend line, but of course it's still horizontal and it could work if you need it at just a portion of your screen. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.